today is Truckee Meadows Community College Day here at the Legislature.
Without the Nevada Promise Scholarship, I definitely do not think I would be attending college just due to, how expensive it is.
I am a non-traditional student. I started school in Truckee Meadows Community College at the age of 24, and I'm graduating this May.
TMCC Wizard the Lizard, Truckee Meadows Community College mascot, is joining us here today.
Go 1, 2, 3. Awesome.